Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy Tuber learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set off remember my preference in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option. Here I can write the things, what things, settings. So settings this, and here I will go to the account section. So in this section I will get the Windows backup. So here what have there have the backup your files, apps, preference to restore them across device. So click here. See here multiple options. So we want to remember my preference. This section has been off. So when I on this, the thing has been visible. Here the marking that has been automatically marked, or if I try to this thing, this can be happen. So when I turn off, so this thing has been invisible. See the thing has been invisible. So when I turn on, see the thing has been visible. So in this way I can turn off remember my preference. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.